We're going to continue our Dallas Road waterfront walk here. Now, if you look over my left shoulder here, where that seagull is, hopefully you can see that seagull. If not, I'll pan around in a bit and zoom in. But basically, that point right out there is where we left off last time. And as you can probably tell by the ocean down down there, the tide has come in, and I can't get over there. I could probably risk it, but I don't want to break a hip. Okay, so I've got my microphone inside my jacket. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit from where we left off last time. It's right at that point there, but as you can see, the waves are, the tide is in very close to the rocks here. I almost feel like just sitting here and watching the waves. But we have to head over the rocks here onto a walkway and towards Fonyo Beach. By the way, I'll have more information in the description below on all of these locations. Battery Point, Fonyo Beach, the Holland Trail. That's the direction we're heading in.
Get out of there, it's not a stick. It's not even a stick. Even tight.
Hey, dog caught my Selfie. Oh, there he is. Caught my Selfie stick with a stick for him. Okay, I'm noticing that we're a little bit overexposed here as far as the light is concerned. So this is Steve Fonyo Beach. And I think we've reached the, I think we may have reached the 8-minute mark. So on that note, I want to thank you for joining me today. And I'm going to continue walking. So I'm going to pick up on the next video right from where we left off here on Walks to Unwind. Hope you have a wonderful day. Take care, everyone.